الحمد لله ما أنت يتأكد أكتوبر لو تكون كوي توانك ماشي عم كسرنا على جدا وعيديري وهذا صوب ركعي كصوب ركعي نواحي قدافات هي ورمحن ماشي أنا يكون بقى في صناعة بياخذ سوق جالسين وتفاسنتين والدين كمان علينا وحنا جعلها دويلاي هذا أنا نيرادي كصوب ركعي دافات يو باي يو بكرلون كاسي كصوب ركعي oo meeshan isugu yimid ku dhibaataysnaa ayaa deeqdan soo gaarsiisay waa idinkaga mahad celinayna hadduu ilaahay yiraahdo waxaan idin leeyahay waa mahadsantihiin waxaan jecelnahay hadduu ilaahay yiraahdo barnaamijkeena inaan gudaha u sii galno aan sii faaqidna hadduu ilaahay yiraahdo insha Allah. Today, October 1, 2011, we are here to help displaced people from regions hit by the drought. Here is Aidera village. Aidera village is located 15 kilometers north of Goi town. Aidera is a residential area which have been currently built by displaced families who lost their livestock in the severe drought in Bai and Bokol regions. Populations were estimated at 308 who were affected by the severe drought hit regions in East Africa. Displaced families who lost their livestock in the drought in Bai and the Bokol regions walked to reach Aidera village in search of food, shelter and health services on the same footing as the rest of refugees in neighboring countries. They are forgotten in straightened circumstances and stranded in Somalia in comparison with the displaced families in Kenya and Ethiopia who received international assistance. Greening poverty, inflation, unemployment, destitution and repeated failures of seasonal crops have aggravated the living conditions of IDP refugees who received neither charitable aid of local NGOs nor international assistance on the same footing as the rest of refugees in Kenya and the neighboring countries. The charitable cash donated to these refugees by the Korea Jama Masjid through Bolton Horn of Africa Center are dropped in the ocean. These refugees who fled from the drought in Bai and Bokol regions for the loss of their livestock and repeated failure of seasonal crops do not have shelter, food and health services on the same footing as the rest of refugees in other regions of the world. Children in Aidera village hungrily either sleep or wake up in terms of the unbearable hardship of famine and poverty and destitution. There is no school which is desperately required by the uneducated children of the displaced families in Aidera village. The children of the displaced families in Aidera village are not educated on the same footing as the rest of international children in other regions of the world. There is no hospital which is desperately required by the sick of the displaced families in Aidera village. The sick of the displaced families are not medical and health treated cured on the same footing as the rest of the international patients in hospitals in other regions of the world for the lack of health service. There is no well which is desperately required by the rest of the displaced families in Aidera village. The internal displaced refugees in Aidera village do not have water supply on the same footing as the rest of refugees in other regions of the world. There is no shelter desperately required by the families in Aidera village for shelter from the sun, rain or wind. The refugees in Aidera village do not have homes on the same footing as the rest of refugees in other parts of the world. Rains are expected to begin this season according to weather forecasts, so that the homeless of the displaced families will expose themselves to diseases caused by the rain. Many children of the displaced families died of measles and other diseases curable in Somalia for the lack of health service in Aidera village. On behalf of the refugees in Aidera village, We are thanking you for the charitable cash raised by the attendees of the Zakaria Jama Masjid through Bolton Horn of Africa Center UK. On behalf of Idera community, we are demanding schools, hospitals and wells in order to be on the same footing as the rest